So guys, for the first method, make sure that you have no VPN or proxy server enabled. If you do, then you want to disable it. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you want to click on Settings. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on About Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the last method, on the left hand side, you want to click on Reset Settings. Now you want to click on Restore Settings to original defaults. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on Reset Settings. And now that we've reset the Chrome settings, you now want to head over to Search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Click on Enter. Now you want to type in netsh winsock reset. Click on Enter again. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.